still want to sell their trees from their forest. And I think in future, when the forest, the tree is falling off from the soil, and the soil is become, the rain wash the soil out, there will be also, the land won't be used in the future for this population. So I think if the Solomon Island people wise, then we must stop selling our trees and stop selling or asking the foreigners to come into this lagoon or to cut in our forest like there. You see, the land there is not level. The land is hilly land, which means we have to look after it very carefully for the future generation. But I think it is up to Solomon Islanders whether we can sell our trees and our fish in order to get money and cause a great disaster for the future of our country, or we preserve our forest and our sea for the goodness of the future generation of Solomon Island. This is what I think. It's up to us now.